Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another new AI tool review. This time we are talking about the AI tool Steve.ai, by which you can use text to create animation videos, live videos, content for your YouTube and any other social media handle. Now, how to go about it, what is the use case, what's the pricing, etc. I'll let you know soon. But before that, I have request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if not done yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. Now, coming up to the AI tool, this is your homepage. You can see the official website Steve.ai, and you need to sign up to get into the account. It follows a premium model. The pricing we are going to talk later. Let's talk about the creation part. So I have tried a couple of one animation video and a live video actually. So let's run through the creation process. So once you click on the create option, you will be given a lot of options, whether you want to create an animated video, you want to create a video from a blog, and here you go. There's a live video, you have an animation video, like what kind you want. Let's say I want a horizontal. The interface what I've got now, it seems to be a little different. Let's hope that the page we are okay here. So when you come here, this is the auto script which is over here. Okay, so here you can see there's a script, theme, workspace, and publish. These are the steps basically. So here there are various scenes. You can type your own scenes, or it can be auto generated for you. The first video what I'm going to show you is auto generated animated one. The second one is a video for which the text I had provided. So what's the music? I'm going to say, let's load this page. I want the auto one to show you. So, and then we're going to go back to the editing part and see, once you've generated, how you can do the editing. Site seems to be a bit slow because I know currently at least my net is supposed to be fine. So I guess it's taking time sometimes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you, without wasting time, I'm going to take you to the editing part. Now this was a video created, so in your dashboard, once you click your dashboard, you can see in my video section, you can see whatever you have done. So I'll go here and click on edit. Okay, so here the app creation is being loaded. In the meanwhile, you can see even the edit part is being loaded. It's taking some really good time to load. So I'll just pause the video until we get it loaded, so that the video doesn't get boring and too long. Okay, so you can see the auto generation script over here. So type of video, it gives it the thing what you want. I will select the animation video. The video aspect ratio here, horizontal ratio, it should give, actually, since we had selected horizontal earlier, the first time I tried to create, sorry, gave me the option to switch between 16 by 19 and 9 by 16, etc. I don't want to reload it again to save on time. Category, like what kind of a category, whether it's a birthday video on a birthday advertisement, etc. I'll select a birthday, for example. Title, what kind you want, a birthday party invite, birthday wishes to lover, sweet 16, etc. Let's say a birthday party invite. And you have the option of creating a sample script or writing your own script. I will say create a sample script over here. So the script is generated over here. You can see 5 scenes with the address and all. So the type of videos, animation, sources, all. Add a voiceover. So whatever text is over here, it's going to be played, and you can select the voice over here. Accent US, gender female, Joanna, Sahib, whatever, Salil, etc. So I'll select the defaults over here and generate voice, and then click next. You can see the video duration over here, 0 minutes 35 seconds. Next, when I click, it's going to ask me to choose my design, like what kind I want over here. So let's celebrate the beauty. I will say let's select this. So the scenes are loading. By the time this thing gets loaded, let's move to the editing part. So I'd shown you that I clicked on here, I'd been here and clicked on edit option. Still loading. So when you click on the edit option, this let's say this is our video which was creating using edit option. So there's a change layout option, so wherein the text can be arranged, whether you want it on the left, you want it the center. Okay, so we are going in, we'll switch over here to save on time. We are back onto this thing, workspace. So you can see basically the things over here is the same, the options. I'm not going to do anything over here. These are things we are going to see in the editing part. And then you click on publish, and it's going to be generating a video for you. So here you see now the layout, like what kind you want. You want the text over here, you want it over here, like you want this character instead of over here, sitting out over here, etc. So scene layout here. Now change color, for example, I want to change the colors. So you see the theme is going to be changing here as I select the colors over here. So you have the option to select any color theme which is there. So let's say I'm keeping this, apply to all. Okay, then color is done. Then you have the option scene timings, the gap. Then if you want to duplicate a scene and do some editing in over there. Now let's say this character you want to change over here. So I want to change character. So you can go and change the character over here. So instead of a guy, I can have let's say, who looks interesting, a clown over there. See this. Okay, so you can see these are paid, not all characters are free. Okay, here there's a star, so we'll need to select someone here which is a non-paid character here. So you see the character has been replaced. Now further over here, change action is there. The pane here has been the loading time. Let's see the video is created over there. Yeah, the video which we have created just now.
Ready to party and have great fun? Ethan is turning 21. It's finally legal for him to drink. Join us and pour a glass for our birthday boy. 7 p.m., October 29, 2021. The Barrel Bar. 123 Booze Street, Las Vegas. A night of drinks, dinner and dance. RSVP to Rio at 123-456-7890.
So here's a video. For example, without doing anything, you have invite video done, and you'll have this watermark for the free versions. You can download it over here. This is the quality what you're going to give. Coming back to the actions over here, there the lady was standing. Here it's a looking through binoculars, for example. So obviously the scene doesn't fit here, but just to show you the changes what you can do. Then this is the individual scene. Then you can go to each particular scene and do the change over here. Change the action over here is walking. You can change the expressions. So let's use a smiley, for example, over here. I don't know whether it's a paid thing. Let's try to change the action. Well, it's taking time, so I've shown you already once, so let's close this and move to the next part. So once you have done all your editing and changes to the colors, etc., you can go ahead and click on publish, so the changes will be there on your system. Now coming to the next video over here, this is not an animated video, this is like a live video. So for this, what I did is I went to ChatGPT, I wrote a small script, came here, put in the creation tool which is there, create here. Once this was there, I'm not going to do, to avoid the loading time, and this is the sort of output I got for that video. I'm going to play that video. I'm going to close the screens. Okay, so this was using the content of the script written by ChatGPT, although I didn't find the voiceover and the text quite in sync. So sometimes it reads, sometimes it doesn't. So not the happiest output. Yeah, the animation looks fine, but this didn't. Unfortunately, the site is a pain. It's not loading. You can see for every single thing. Now let's come back to the pricing. As you move on to the pricing and it loads, I would say by this time, my personal opinion is the animation part is okay, bearable, but the creation tool, actually text to creation, is not that great. So yes, another freemium model they are following, which is there. So not something really great wherein I'd be attracted to this particular website or feel happy to pay as such, because I don't think that it is something which I would go ahead and pay for. So the pricing is being loaded. So in the meanwhile, you can let me know your feedback in the comment section. How did you find it? Whether it is worth the effort, worth the price, and do subscribe to my channel, and do like this particular video as we load the pricing. And you can see here that video is not even loaded yet. So I just wanted to show you whatever the ChatGPT has sort of written a script over here, what kind of a video it has created. You can see it's still loading for already created video. Likewise the pricing also. So this has been a pain right from the time we've started this video, and something which has been a big turn off for me. Okay, coming to the video, I'll play the video, and these are the scenes. Let's see, scene 1, creative office day. Was that script was topic was to create text to video, and these are the scenes given. You're going to find that text.
Scene 1, the idea.
So coming to the pricing, here you can see these are the pricing. Basic $15 per month, second 45 per month. What you get over here you can see in the details below. I'm not going to further elongate the video trying to explain that. And in the free model, what you get, 3 downloads per month with watermark, and 5 premium assets per month. I don't know what it is. Video download is 720 resolution, 720 pixels, and the enterprise model is 4K as such. So this is what you get over here. And